Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain more on if statements. Okay, I will start with the Boolean values. Uh, it is not a Boolean expression, direct I am taking a Boolean values. Previously in the conditions, those are Boolean expressions, they resulted into a Boolean value. So I followed the flow sequence of the execution. I explained you very well. Now I want to explain you. Here you have to take true or false. It must be with the capital T or capital F. If it is not capital, Python is a case sensitive. So because of that, it will give you error. If I take small t, here it is the error. It is showing one error. So if I remove this and if I enter capital T, this will disappear. This is disappeared. I think you understood. Okay. Okay, try to check this output. It is rainy. Here, this variable is true. So, because of this, it is true. It is entered into the if block. It is printed, it is rainy. If I take it as a false, what happens? Okay, capital F you have to use. Okay, please remember this. No rain. Okay, you can make utilize this not. Not true means false. Not false means true. Check this. So, not rainy means you understood. This is the way I want to explain you. I'm not taking a Boolean value now. I'm taking a string. I want to explain you how this string will check for the character. If characters in rainy, I will try to type what I want to explain you. After that, I will explain everything. Okay, try to run. Please enter a characters. I will try to enter. Okay, is. Okay, sorry. This is the mistake. I'm taking it as a int. It's a mistake. I have to take a character array or string. Okay, is. Okay, one more mistake I did. I'm not written format. Format. Okay, now I will try to run. Is. Is in it is rainy. Okay, some confusing it is. So no problem. I will try to make it simplified. And rainy is in it is rainy. I hope you understood. Otherwise, you can give a simple instead of characters array. You can simply give a one character R. R is in it is rainy. Okay. R is a character in a it is rainy string. It is looking for a in. Here character in rainy means this character is available in rainy or not, it will check. If it is gives a true, it will enter into the if block. So I think you understood. Uh, okay, one thing we will do. If we give a capital R, what happens? No, capital R not in it is rainy. Yes, are you got? Capital R is different and small r is different. There is a case sensitivity in Python. For to change this, I will do something. I will use case fold. If it is smaller, it is giving it is in rainy. If I give capital R, still it is showing. So it means that you can take a input from input terminal. It is taking as a character or character array. If condition is checking for whether it is in string or not, even it is a character or the substring, whether it is available in variable or not. It checks for the in. You are using a in operator. If you are using not in, if you want to if you want to use, you can change this logic. You can write same logic in different manners. Okay, enter. R is in it is rainy. Capital R. It is also. First, it is converting character into the case fold means that it is converting into the small letters. capital letter into small letter. First R is converted into small r, and it is checking for string. It is there in the string, so it is working. Here I'm not, here I'm using not in as a operator. We can make utilize not in and in as a operators for to check whether the substring or string or any list or anywhere you can make utilize. But here I'm using a string. In list also you can check. Uh, about list I will explain you in future. I hope you understood. See you in the next session.